Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Mache. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on using our online library catalog so that you can easily look up books that we might have at Jefferson or Highland Park. And I also want to show you a new feature, which is a hold feature that allows you to hold a book and it will send me an email. I can then pull the books you would like and have them delivered to your room. To get started, you need to go to libraryworld.com/OPAC, which is our online patron access catalog. If you set that as a bookmark, it'll be easy to remember. Once you're here, we don't need a password. You either need Highland Park Library or Jefferson Library. We do not need a password, so we'll go into the Jefferson Library. Now we are in our library's online catalog. I would suggest not leaving this at all words. If you leave it at all words, this is what will happen. Let's say you wanted books about the beach. It is going to pull up things that have the word beach anywhere in the catalog. So for instance, 123 Ps was published by Beach Lane Books. Well, that's not very helpful if you're looking for a book on the beach. So the best thing to do if you know the title would be to use title. You could also use subject. Let's say you know the title or you want the word beach in your title. You can search that way. Now we have books that only have beach in the title and not anywhere in the catalog. They will be sorted alphabetically by title, but this side over here isn't as important as this one. So use this drop down menu. If you leave it at all words, you're going to get many pages that you do not need. Also, let's go back and do all words. And you will see there are 4 pages. So if you do use all words and you don't see what you were looking for right here on this first page, don't assume that we don't have it. You need to jump to the next page and scroll through each page. You can also do that right here. So again, best way to search is by using the title, or if you want to do a subject search, you can do that as well. Now to get out of Jefferson Library and check to see if we have a book at Highland, sign out in the corner, sign into Highland Park Library. You are now in Highland Park Library. Now if you come across a book that you would like to hold, so you decide that you want this at the beach. One thing to look at over here means we have 1 copy, so 1 holding, and 1 is available. So no one has it checked out right now. You can request a hold. All I need is your name. You do not have to put your patron ID number, and you do not have to put your email. Actually, all you need is your name, and you can request a hold. I will get an email asking me to pull that book for you and get it to you. You can return back to the list. You could go through and do this with multiple books. Maybe you also want Curious George Goes to the Beach. Let's see if I can find one that is checked out. Oh, all of these are available right now. So if the book is not available, let's see if we can find one that might be checked out right now. I'm going to look at one of our Dogman books. Okay, this book that is not available because it is checked out right now, you can still request a hold, and as soon as that book gets turned in, a little notice will pop up for me on the screen saying you would like it next, and then I can get it ready for you and bring it to you. So they might not be available right away, but they will be available soon as a student brings it back. Again, you can jump back and forth between the Highland Park Library and the Jefferson Library. I'll get back into Jefferson once more, and we're back in looking at the Jefferson Library. So really the main feature that you can use is searching for any kind of book by subject or by title. You can also look, if you're doing an author study, you could search by author. Most of the other things probably wouldn't be as useful for you. But when you find books, do a hold on them. That will send me an email and I can have them pulled. Now, if you'd rather come down and search the library or have me pull books for you, that is fine too. I just wanted to give you the option to use this if you're searching at home for books or you're down in your classroom and you want to see what's available. Thanks. I hope this is useful for you. Bye.